HMS Victory was made famous by her role as Admiral Lord Nelson's flagship at the Battle of Trafalgar in 1805. She survived that battle. It was obviously an overwhelming victory for the British fleet, but Lord Nelson did perish on board. She has been preserved ever since through luck, sometimes not so much judgment, and therefore she's with us today. It was discovered through shipwright surveys that the ship was degrading. Water was getting into the structure. It was allowing rot to grow and develop. And then as the timber degraded, it became food for deathwatch beetle. And then over time, that has just been eroding the structure of the ship. And so we've embarked on this project to essentially remove the external rotten timber, dry out the structure, and then we will replank and ensure that we stop water ingress in future.
We're at the stage of the project now where we've removed a lot of the planking from the outside of the ship, which was rotten and allowing water in, and we've uncovered a lot of damaged frames. So the next stage of the project is to work our way forward to aft, removing the damaged frames, carrying out repairs where possible, and we'll be using oak planking and traditional methods to reinstate the ship to how she was during the Battle of Trafalgar.
When we were removing the planking, we were coming across tools, notes, history. You know, it was quite fun from the previous work done across the last 100, 150 years, really. The size of the timber we're working with it's fun, it's interesting. You know, it adds another level of complexity to it. It's definitely a great honour to work here.
We are currently looking at a 12-year programme. This much structure has not been removed from the ship and replaced since 1814. This conservation project is the largest conservation project in Europe after Notre Dame. I think what we're doing here massively adds to the visitor experience because I think it's such a unique visual experience that they will not see this in their lifetime again. Seeing the underlying structure of Victory and seeing this scale of work is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We think there's probably about 7 to 14% of the ship dates to the time of Nelson. What I think is really important to stress is that the ship is made of timber. Throughout her active service life, she would have been repaired, refitted, elements changed, but the more we conserve, the more our visitors can be sort of assured that they're walking in the footsteps of those 19th century sailors.